In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export with Excel on Monday.com. Whether you're looking to organize your tasks, allocate responsibilities, or keep track of deadlines, integrating Excel with Monday.com can help you streamline your workflow efficiently. Let's dive in and get started. First, let's prepare your Excel file for a smooth import into Monday.com. It's crucial that the first row of your Excel spreadsheet contains column headers such as task, owner, due date, or status. These headers will serve as the field names and are essential for correct data organization. You should also ensure that each column in your worksheet represents a single field like name, date, or status. Once everything is properly labeled, save your file in either the .xlsx or .csv format, as these are the ones supported by Monday.com. Before uploading, take a moment to clean up your file. Make sure to remove any blank rows or unnecessary formatting for a seamless experience. Now that your Excel file is ready, you'll want to decide how you want to import this data into Monday.com. You have two options here. You can create a brand new board from your Excel file, or you can choose to add the data to an already existing board. Both methods are simple, and I'll walk you through the steps. To create a new board from your Excel file, start by going to your Monday.com workspace. Click on the plus add button and select new board. From the options provided, choose import data and then select Excel as your source. This allows you to upload your Excel file directly. Monday.com will give you a preview of your data and automatically map your Excel columns to the corresponding board columns. In case some columns don't match up correctly, you'll have the flexibility to manually adjust the column types. For instance, you might need to transform a date column into a proper date field. Next, ensure all your columns are mapped correctly. Text columns such as task names should be mapped to the item name field. Email addresses or owner columns belong in the people column. Date entries need to be in the date column, while status indicators fit into the status column. Once you have everything aligned as it should be, click on Next to proceed. For the final step, you simply click Create Board. Your new board in Monday.com will appear, showcasing all the data you've imported from your Excel file. With this integration complete, you can immediately start using automations, apply filters, and create dashboards to better manage your tasks and projects. And there you have it, a straightforward way to import and export Excel data using Monday.com. By following these steps, you'll be able to organize your workflows more efficiently and keep track of